Jay, come on, get up.
Uh,
We're going to explore Salt Spring today.
uh,
We're going to find geocaches. Earth caches?
EarthCaches, let's go! Hey geocachers, welcome to day 2 on Salt Spring Island of our amazing island hopping vacation experience here. We're having a great start to our second day, and we are very excited to be up on Mount Maxwell. We're finding a cool series of geocaches, and on top of all of that, we're hoping to find an earth cache here with some pretty cool views from the pictures we've seen. So let's take you out and see what we can enjoy on this geocaching adventure.
It's another beautiful BC Extreme geocaching adventure as we continue to explore Salt Spring Island on Mount Maxwell and beyond, finding new friends in beautiful places and sharing big adventures with you.
What do you think about that big rock? Hey, this is a very large conglomerate boulder. And there's a cache here.
It's a grapefruit holder.
Oh, it's a grapefruit. A pamplemousse. Oh, pamplemousse.
It was 200 meters or 650 feet of elevation gain to get to the viewpoints, and voila, venerable vistas.
Oh, wow. Check out this view, Laura. Oh, wow. Not too bad.
Not too bad at all is our spectacular scenic sojourn sought site of the San Juans and the States. And soon enough, time to move along.
Is it a barrel full of monkeys?
No.
It's a barrel with a monkey? That was west, not south. They said look south. So that's where we were standing just moments ago, taking a look out over the bay. The boat's moored for the long weekend. And out over to Vancouver Island. Well, we are here at the lookout point up at the summit of Mount Maxwell, having an amazing view out over the Gulf Islands. Just enjoying that. Answering an earth cache while we're up here. And now we'll continue on with our adventure. Bit of a sketchy section here. Really watch our footing. There's certainly some fractured rock wall up here. I bet you there's a heck of a view. Are you? Okay. Well, it might be down below this, yeah. Guess you always check the terrain rating, but let's see. We'll try and catch some of it, but there's a set of 3 eagles that are circling and using the updrafts from the channel behind us to get up here and circle around. I guess they're just looking for food or having fun, not sure what, but pretty amazing to watch them. It's geocaches like this that make me cry. Hey, are you stealing some kid's money? Hey guys, so we are now hiking on the back side of Mount Maxwell. Earlier in the video we were on the what we call the front side of the mountain, where all the big viewpoints are. Here you're much more in the forest, but it's nice and cool, shaded, and the trail's a little more, well, I wouldn't say level, but you don't have as big of inclines. So, just enjoying our walk through the forest. And no sooner do I say there's no big inclines. I've really got to stop saying things like that. Ah, thought something seemed fishy with that pile of sticks.
Dinner.
Well, just about wrapped up our day on Mount Maxwell. Heading our way back to the truck. Just down a couple little more hills here. And made a big loop. We'll show you some maps so you can get a sense of how to work your way around Mount Maxwell. How to find, if you're geocaching, how to find some great geocaches. And if you're not, you just want to go out for a hike and see those amazing views that we showed you, how to get there as well. So I hope that you've had a great time coming along with us on Mount Maxwell, Salt Spring Island. Remember, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like it and share it with your friends. Sorry, I gotta watch my feet here. Steep trail. All right, and most importantly, cache safely and cache often.
How about an EarthCache?
Okay, let's go!
You can find some EarthCaches. EarthCaches?
EarthCaches!
EarthCaches?
EarthCaches! Let's go!